My sweet kindergartners, I'm here at school today and all of your stuff, I packed it all up, it's all gone. And I'm missing you all like crazy. And I have been trying really hard to record a video for you and I keep messing up and I'm getting really, really frustrated. So I just took a brain break. I just did my 5-finger breathing and I'm ready to try again. So I'm going to come up to my teaching spot up here and I'm going to set my phone down and I'm going to try again to try and go through what I've been trying to go through. Even though I keep screwing up, I'm going to try again. And I know that you guys love me no matter what, just like I love you all no matter what. And I'm going to focus my brain back on what I was trying to do. And I hope you all will listen very carefully because I'm ready to teach now. So I have been reading your guys' writing that you've been sending to me on a picture through Facebook. Your parents have been sending me some of your writing and I look at it and I love to read it. But one thing I've been noticing is that many of you have been forgetting to make your sentences perfect. And back when we were in school, you guys always tried really hard to make sure your sentences were perfect. And I thought maybe my kids are just forgetting. So I pulled out our old perfect sentence chart. And I think I'll just go through some of our rules and I'll remind you what we learned in school. The first thing, we all know that when we're done with our sentence, we have to have an ending mark. There are 3 ending marks that we use. We have our exclamation point or exclamation mark. We have our question mark and our period. If you know what each one does, take a second and pause me and tell someone what they do or when you use them. A question mark comes at the end of a question sentence, so when you're asking something. A period comes at the end of a telling sentence. And an exclamation point comes when you're excited or angry and when you're exclaiming something. So it's often when you're going to talk a little bit louder. Okay. Number 2, you have to start your sentences with an uppercase. You all know that we start with a capital letter when we start our sentence. Okay. So in my example, a dog ran by or a dog ran by, I started that with an uppercase letter. You know you must use finger spaces. Remember, we take our 2 fingers and we put them after the word we just wrote so that there's lots of space in between each word. Otherwise, our sentences are hard to read and they don't make sense, okay? Trapper, I am noticing in the writing your mom sent me that your finger spaces are much, much better. So you keep up the good work, buddy, okay? The rest of you are also doing a good job. I just want to remind you, use your finger spaces, okay? Number 4, in addition to uppercase in the beginning of our sentence, we have to uppercase the letter I. Remember when the I is all by itself in the middle of our sentence? Even though it's in the middle of the sentence, you have to uppercase it. So we uppercase our I, people's names, and holidays. Remember the sentence we came up with was Ted. Ted. That's his name, and it's the beginning, so we uppercase that. Ted and I will go on Christmas. I uppercase the C because it's a holiday. And lastly, you must use your best kindergarten spelling. That means you stretch out the word and you put the sounds that you know are there, even if the word is hard. So we spelled my teacher is the best. You spell your sight words correctly that you know how to spell, and you use your best sounds. T, E. Many of you know the H brother. Ch, ch, ch. Put the sounds that you know. Okay, I went over that super quickly. Hopefully you can watch the video more than once if you forgot. I will look for your writing again next week, and I hope to see lots and lots of perfect sentences. Let me know if you need help or if you want me to write with you or I miss you guys and I want to talk to you and I want to see you. So let me know if you need help with your sentences. I love you all so much and I will hopefully see you all soon. Bye-bye.